Thank you, everyone. My manuscript, or it has the name Beyond the Books, a study on AI augmentation in civil engineer pedagogy for pavement design. The authors are Javier Vasquez-Monteros, I'm Yasmany García-Ramírez. One second. We work in the Universidad Técnica particular de Loja from Ecuador. I think the AI, or the intelligence artificial, has experienced and present grown with the significant advances in the deep learning. Before we began the talk, I want to show you an experiment we did with GPT-4. Throughout the talk, I will show you the 3 images that AI generate. What I want to show is that we are facing the 4th industrial revolution. There is 3 images in this talk. The experimentation was imagine generated with GPT. We upload the manuscript and ask it to generate 3 images. This is the first imaging. I think it's very, very nice. Okay, introduction. The utilization of AI in engineer education is a burgeoning area aimed to enhance students' grasp of practical application and intrinsic problem solving. Students emphasize AI's potential for improved learning outcomes in the engineer and computer science education, employing various methods in software engineer. The integration of AI into ET students' education constantly produce graduates showcasing the symbolic relationship between AI and software engineer, yielding functional research tools. The training of specialists in transport construction address new relevant skills required for professionals, and the widespread adoption of AI. The inclusion of AI content in professional courses contribute to a profound understanding of the civil engineer projects and providing a comprehensive approach to learning. Methodology. AI participant selects the academic period is spanning from October 2023 and to February 2024. 68 students enrolled in the pavement design course. 19 identified as female, while 81 identified as male. A2 selection for ChatGPT 341 and BART. We select for the advanced natural language processing capacity and accessibility, being free to use. Development by OpenAI, ChatGPT 3.5 excels in the generate coherent response to complex prompts, and BART is renowned for its proficiency in authorship recognizing and detection. This deliberate selection ensures comprehensive analysis, leveraging the distance strengths each tools for thorough evaluation of their performance in the addressing and diverse range of challenge with the context of pavement design. Only clarification or is clear. Only one the Google BART change the name changed in January for Gemini. In our investigation or research finished in February is maybe a clarification for this. Task assigned. Each student's group was assigned the task of crafting prompts that develop into various aspects of pavement design. These prompts were instrumental as inputs for the AI tools, forming the founding for evaluation the response across broad spectrum of challenge with the fields. The overchanged object was to cover a comprehensive range of change and intrinsical inherent pavement design. The students were instructed to formulate a single prompt. This is the single prompt. They act as expert on plus provide a short answer about plus topic. The topic is this here in this table. The topic to traffic student from construct a system. For example, a prompt could be act as expert civil engineer on the roads and pavements and give a brief and precise answer about what existing traffic is. The number question, the question asked to I is the different topics. And for example, the traffic study for question, the construct system for question, this is the numbers. Okay, evaluation process. The students put the score. For example, current response were awarded a score of 1. The AI back response received a score 0.5, and incorrect answer were assigned a score 0. This standardized scale facility a quantifiable assessment of the AI generation response. The scoring system AI to difference between a current partiality correct and incorrect response, offered in the evaluation of the AI tools performance across of 8 topics, encompassing 30 questions in total. The maximum achieved score was 30 points, and this scoring mechanic ensure a comprehensive and standardizing evaluation of the AI tools effectiveness in the address the variable change present in the prompt. Students share their AI grades with the instructor, facilitating and details analysis through descriptive statistics for each. Can you see? The tabulate data reveals that average BART received a high score compared to ChatGPT. This is BART, and this is BART or Gemini. This is ChatGPT. It's worth noting that both tools exhibit identical maximum and minimum values, underscoring that distinction lies. This is table. You can see the mean, the Q1, Q2, and MER. It's worth noting that both tools exceed identical maximum and minimum values, underscoring that this distinction lies in intermediate metrics like Q1, medium, and Q3, where BAR demonstrate a slight higher value. This insight offered understanding of the comparative performance ChatGPT. In the figure present a scatter plot and illustrate the distribution of all insignificant grades for reference, and the line drop 40, the reference line, this reference line is drawn at 70% of the grade, equivalent to 21 points. I think in the discerning pass of fail status for exam. By using this reference line, it becomes evidence that ChatGPT will pass 48% of the test and related to the topics, while BAR will trying a high approval rate, the 71%. We was generate illustration, the average, the scores for each topics and AI tools. These scores were subsequently converted into percentage. This is the most important. It's very important. These students' opinions and apply this methodology to learn about artificial intelligence and pavements. The students were surveyed throughout their perception of the using AI in the pavement score. The important regarding utility, 36% consider the tools very useful, and while 68 found them useful in terms of the impact of their understanding and the force of the concepts in the pavement course. On the scale from 1 to 10, 40% gave a rating of 8, 44% gave a rating of 9, and 11 gave a rating of 10, indicating a positive impact on student learning. Concerning recommends 97 will suggest the use AI tools in the future pavements course. Is the second imaging for the time? No stop here. Discussion in our research. These were the results. ChatGPT achieved 48% pass rate on the pavement exam, and Gemini achieved a high pass rate, 72%. Discussion, the integration of ChatGPT and BAR as education supplements positive influence to learn outcomes of the civil engineering students. Students perceive a significant contribution to deeper understanding of course material through the use of AI tools. I studied comparing Gen AI boots, found that these tools function as agents to think with, for instance, critical think, problem solving, and subject matters knowledge. Other students assess the capabilities of general AI tools, including ChatGPT-4, and found that they perform well at lower levels of the Bloom taxonomy while maintaining a decent level of the performance at higher levels with the create begin to weaken level of performance. For the time, conclusion. In the conclusion, this study underscored the positive influence of the integrating ChatGPT and BART in the education of civil engineering students with a focus of pavement design. The outcomes reflect a substantial contribution to more profound comprehensive of the course materials and overall impact on the over learning outcomes. However, they identified changes and variabilities in pass rates among the AI tools underscore the imperative for ongoing exploring and enhance. The survey response from a student combined a predominant optimist perception of the AI tools, accompanied by recommendation for deeper integration, while remaining mindful of the limitation association with AI. In essence, these research provide not only valuable insight into the transform potential of the AI engineer education, but also emphasize the importance of the continuous refinement process to optimize the learning experience of students. Is the third imaging is for the time. Thank you for your attention.